I'm going to make this little sleeping dragon using this really soft white polymer clay. So I condition it because that's really easy because it is so soft, and then I'll make it firmer, and it takes me just 5 minutes to have it conditioned, coloured and firm. So if you'd like to see how I got it ready so quickly, I've added that to the end of the video. And all these little figurines are made using the soft clay, and once it's been firmed it avoids fingerprints and dust, so it saves a lot of time and some money too. So if you would like to learn more about firming polymer clay, all the information is available on the Polymer Clay Therapy channel, and if you would like to subscribe, you'll be kept up to date with all our new videos. So here she is, she's all baked and cooled down, and hopefully you can see how lovely, clean and white she is. Really smooth, there's no dirt or fingerprints on her, and all I did was make her and bake her. So coming up next is how I firmed the clay. And this is what I use, it's original Sculpey White, and you get 28 ounces for just £13. So this is straight out of the box, and the first thing I do is condition it, and because it's so soft it's really easy. It just takes a minute to condition, and then I like to colour the clay even if I'm doing white. So this is a soft chalk pastel that I've made into a really fine dusty powder, and there is a video on our channel that will show how to prepare the chalk pastel really quickly. So I just mix all the colour in roughly, because the next step, which is firming the clay, is going to finish off the colour mixing for me. So it's really well conditioned now, and I'm going to add some firming powder to it. So this is Polyfirm powder, and just a couple of light dustings of the powder mixed into the clay is going to make it much firmer, and I find it easier to work with. And really that's all I do, I just mix in dustings of the powder until I reach the firmness that I want. And even with large chunks of clay I've never used more than 3 dustings of powder. And I do wear a mask, gloves and protect my eyes when working with powder products. So that took me less than 5 minutes to have it conditioned, coloured and firm enough to start making my little sleeping dragon. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do have any questions please just pop them in the comments. So thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon on the Polymer Clay Therapy channel. Bye for now. Bye.